Hey, what's up, guys? It's your main man, Kids Fred's Mr. Fix It. Today I am in the attic replacing a damper operator made by Honeywell. And the model number is M847D Zone. This one here controls the upstairs air. And as you can tell, this here is pretty much damaged. And what I've been having to do, anytime the air don't kick on upstairs, it makes like a humming noise. When you leave the attic upstairs, it makes a little humming noise. That's how I know that this zone is getting stuck. I would have to come up here and shake it and move it around and play with this here to get it to open up. Once it open up, then we get air upstairs. So I am replacing this because I'm tired of coming upstairs messing with it. And it's pretty much is out and going out. So this is the new one, and it came right here with this number on 0. That means that when it closes, you want it to close all the way to 0. You can set your settings, but I don't know why you would want it to close like 1, 2, or halfway and things like that. So I would leave it on 0 so it could close all the way, close when it closes. And it pretty much matched this one, the exact same one. So you don't get confused by the wiring. I recommend that you just take a picture of how it is wired with your cell phone, so you don't get confused of how the wires go when you go back to putting it back together. There's a bolt on this side, an Allen wrench bolt on this side here. I don't know if I could get a shot of it with the phone. I'm gonna try to get a shot of it. You unloosen that bolt, then the damper comes off. I'm gonna see if I could let you see it. It's hard because I can't even get on that side. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it like that. Maybe you can see it that way. Anyway, it's there. You can see it here on the new one. So the bolt goes there, the Allen wrench bolt. These are the 2 bolts that it came with. So what I would do, go ahead and put the bolt there, but don't screw it all the way in to where the threads are showing on the other side. And it looks like for this installation, you're only gonna need a set of Allen wrenches. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. Screw that in, because it's gonna go just like that. Okay, so just screw that in, not to where it's showing on the inside of that hole there. You don't want it going all the way in, because you want to be able to sit it on that rod without having that bolt stopping it from sitting on that rod. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my Allen wrenches. It comes with instructions also from the box. These are the instructions. My disclaimer is, I'm not a certified HVAC mechanic or electrician. So this is just for informational purposes. I am not a professional, but what I am is Mr. Fix It. So if you're gonna work on it at your own risk. Once again, I am not a professional. That is my disclaimer. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and unloosen the wire here. You all bear with me, I'm working with this with one hand. Okay, so you want to push down on this black button here and the wire should come loose, okay? Just like that. So you know the brown goes on M6. The brown goes on M6 and the white goes on M1. So I get my Allen wrench now and I'm going to unloosen this bolt on this side where you can't see it. The same bolt that I put in on the new one, you're gonna unloosen that one. Let's see, can I get it? Let's see, can I get it with one hand? Okay, it's a good thing I brought my needle nose pliers up. That saved me time. So I'm gonna connect that there, just like that. And grab my needle nose pliers so I could get a turn because it needs a little bit more force to get it loose. So I grab my needle nose, see if I can snap it there. And I think it turned then. There you go, yeah. So I put my needle nose pliers, or you could use wire pliers on top of that. Then I turned it. Okay, so I got it loose. Good thing I brought that up. And I brought some more tape to tape this down. So once you get it loose, it comes straight up just like that. See, and that's the bolt that I was working with here. This one. This bolt here. That's the one that I was getting loose. On the other side. Okay. Once you got that, it comes straight loose. Okay. And I just put this bolt, I don't know why it's broken anyway, but I still just put this bolt back in. Just so I don't lose it up here. Yeah, you could tell how damaged this one was. You see that? Yeah, it was pretty much gone. So, and I know my wife got tired of the air not working upstairs and waiting on me to get home from work to come up in the attic and fool with this thing. Okay, so we got that. And you could tell the door swinging there. So I think this open. Okay, all the way to the left. When I turn that to the left, that's closed. So I want to make sure it's open when I put this on. But there's the little door inside that hole. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I could let you see it. It's hard to see. Anyway, you could kind of see the little door inside that hole. You want to kind of make sure it's clear so that rod right here can go in there. So make sure it's clear, kind of going away from you just a little bit to get that rod in. So that's what you want to do. I was trying to see if I could give you a good shot of it. So hard to get a good shot. There you go. You see that? Okay. So right there, it would be in the way. So make sure it's like, let me get another good shot. Make sure it's going forward right there where you can get it in and not in the way. So that's what you want to do. Okay. Because that's open. Right there is open. Okay. So I got it kind of out of the way. So now I want to put my damper on. Just stick the damper on here. Make sure that door is out the way again. Okay, it's out of the way. Then my damper should go straight on. Just like that. Okay, it's on there. Now I'm gonna tighten this bolt up. Sorry for the shaking, guys. But when you got one hand, you have one hand to work with. When you're filming with the other hand. Okay. And you can see where this is reading open. So the door is open. When you turn the AC on and you want it to cool upstairs, you'll see this white arm swing from closed to open. Then you get AC upstairs, you're getting air. So when you want the AC at the on level 1 of the house to come on, then you'll see this white level go close to allow the air downstairs to flow. So in other words, upstairs and downstairs do not flow at the same time. You do not have air at the same time. When it's blowing air downstairs, the upstairs is off. When it's blowing air upstairs, then the downstairs air is off. That's what these dampers control. So I got that pretty snug. I'm gonna get my needle nose now and put it on this Allen wrench to get it tight. Make sure you turn off the power at your electric box, okay? Just for safety. Anytime you working with electrical items, I turned the power off in the garage at the electric box, okay? Now I'm gonna rewire it. The yellow, remember, was on 1. It was on A1. You push this down and push the wire in. I'm going to have to set my phone down now for a second. Let me set my phone down for a second. Okay, I put the yellow into M1, the brown there. Okay, there you have it. Okay, you can see that. Got the yellow into M1 and the brown into M6. Just the way it was. That's what you want to do. So we're all set. Now I'm gonna get this tape down just to make it look more professional. I see some more little spots that I need to tape down up here. I turned the power off in the garage at the electric box, and I turned it off here. There's power switches here too. I turned those off too, just to be safe. Okay, and once you get it all installed, you could turn it all back on. Now I'm gonna tape this down and tape this down, and then that completes it. So that's how you would do that. Okay, then I should have no more problems with the AC not working. So I'm gonna get that tape down, and there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how you replace a damper zone. Thanks for watching. It's Kid Fred's Mr. Fix It. Okay, guys, so everything is installed. You can see that it's in the open position. So my wife is going downstairs to turn on the downstairs AC unit. When it turns on from downstairs, you will see this needle move to close position so it can allow the air to flow downstairs, because this is for upstairs. When this closes, then it allows air to flow downstairs. So you will see that it is working. Give us a few moments for the system to pick up that she wants the downstairs air to come on. And it's going to kick on here in a few seconds, and you will see that white needle move to close, which allowing the air to flow downstairs. See, will it go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Not 10 seconds. Let me try that again. 10, 9, 8. And I believe this light here would turn red, indicating that it's closing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, it's gonna keep making a lie out of me, but it will cut on. 10. There you go. It's cutting on right when I said 10. So now you will see the arm moving. There you go. So it's moving to close to allow the air to flow. To allow the air to flow downstairs. There's the light coming on. So that gives me indication that it is working. See that? So it's gonna close all the way to 0 because I have this red thing set to 0, meaning I want it fully closed. Just like that. All right, thanks for watching. I'm Kid Fred's, and that is how you do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Peace and have a great day.